welcome to Share the Magic, and today I have a new Primark haul video, so without further ado, let's see what I got. Ta-da! That's a lot of goodies. Let's dig in, right? Look at it. I got so many things. Oh my god, I don't even know where to start. Okay, so first thing I saw inside the bag is this adorable Stitch t-shirt. Like, look how cute he is. Oh, look at that. So adorable. All the different stitches. I love it. It's so cute. And the back looks as adorable as the front. Oh my god, I love Stitch. It's so cute. And Stitch is so adorable. And actually it's a nice quality. And this t-shirt was $14. So I call it a success. That was a good pickup. Next up, I got 2 packs with underwear, and it was only $5 for 5 underwear, so basically $1 underwear. This is pretty cool. But yeah, you can kind of see the design. Pretty simple, pretty cute, and you know, pretty nice. Next up, I'm so excited for this because it's Coca-Cola slippers. If you didn't know, I love Coca-Cola, and I was so happy when I found the slippers right there. It was $12, so I think it's worth it. Such a good pickup. I can't wait to wear them because they're super cool. Of course, I couldn't walk out without buying a Winnie Pooh t-shirt because look how cute he is. I mean, Winnie the Pooh is the cutest little thing, right? Look at that, it's so cute. It's also very soft. I like it, it's nice material. It was only $8. Like, you can't go wrong with that. So, yeah. It's nothing on the back, and it's cute Winnie the Pooh in the front. So, that was a really good pickup. Another adorable t-shirt I found was this Dumbo t-shirt. It looks super cute. Dumbo is adorable. I like how it has Walt Disney, Dumbo, and obviously the Dumbo elephant over here. Nothing is on the back. Super cute. And it was also $8. I love Primark t-shirts, this is so cute. Last but not least, I got this huge blanket with Gryffindor, and it looks like this when you unfold it. It's very big, it's very soft, and it was on sale. 50% off, it was $10 instead of $20, so like, seriously, look at that. That was such a good deal. I couldn't pass on it, so I had to pick it up, and now I gotta find room for it. But you know, you never have enough blankets in your house because blankets are super comfy and super good to have, so that was a good pickup. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this small little haul because I absolutely did. I love Primark and I love anything Disney and Harry Potter, so that was a win-win. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment down below which item was your favorite. Do you even have Primark by you? Do you like shopping there? Let me know. And don't forget to subscribe because it does help the channel a lot and it means a lot to us because your support means everything. And as always, don't forget to share the magic. Bye!